What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the UFO True Wireless Earbuds by Kissral. Before we get started, I've got a 10% off discount down in the description below, so definitely check that out. Also, at any point in the video, if you like what you see and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. First off, these things are Bluetooth 5.0. They are IPX5 rated, so they're gonna be good for sweat. And oddly, they say sweat and tears. So you're not gonna have to worry about sweat and tears, but they are not full waterproof. But they are saying that it has stunning sound quality with heavy bass. Those are bold statements. Also, they're saying that these have 3D holographic sound. Not sure what that means, but they're saying that it gives you a concert-like experience. Oh, there we go. This looks pretty nice. Look how small that is. Okay, so we got a box, a few extra ear cups, and a USB to USB-C type plug for charging. You got a user manual. Also, you got a guarantee card, 6-month replacement, or full refund, 100% satisfaction guarantee. Well, they seem pretty confident. That's good to hear. All right, first off, the case looks really cool. I'm actually liking the design. It's very slick looking. It's got the name on the back. Now, the case itself is a 600 milliamp hour battery, so you can charge these up to 4 to 5 times. And the earbuds themselves only have 50 milliamp hour battery, which is pretty common in true wireless earbuds. And that'll get you about 4 to 5 hours of playtime, depending on your volume level that you're using it. Oh, that's cool. So you just twist it. Ooh, I like that. All right, so you pull them out. On the back, you've got your USB-C port. Now you can see that it's actually labeled on the inside, left and right, and then you got your little connection points. All right, so the earbuds themselves, they are very small. These are very, very tiny. I like the design of them, that little teardrop design. They're really clean looking. On the top of each one, you've got your multi-function button. Also, that little dot right there, that is the omnidirectional microphone, and they actually have it on both. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's nice. That is a nice, clean fit. Wow, that seals really, really well. All right, cool. Shake test. Okay, good. No concussions. Let's check out the charge feature real quick. You plug them in. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool. So they light up red, and then the case itself, can you see through it? No. But the case itself lights up blue. That's cool. Oh, okay. So they just connected to each other. Nice. Well, I'm guessing it's the R18. Oh, that was weird. Said real quietly, connected. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so immediately, as soon as I hit play, it was already in the middle of the song, and immediately the bass kicked in. Wow, very impressive right off the bat. They weren't lying. It's pretty heavy bass for something so tiny. Wow. There's a great range of audio, really, really good. Wow. Considering the size of these, I really didn't expect that kind of sound to come out of them. They're pretty good. Let's check vocal clarity here. Really, really clear audio. Very clear. Vocals are great. I'm experiencing zero latency at all. I'm gonna check the distance real quick. I'll be right back. All right. Pause? Pause works. I actually reached the limit of my walking distance and went out my front door, and then finally it started cutting off, but solid connection, very solid connection. I'm really, really enjoying the sound quality coming out of these little things. I mean, to be honest, if I were just to see this sitting on the shelf and I grabbed these, I wouldn't think much of them at all, but they have a really premium sound to them. Let's make a phone call. Oh, you know what? I haven't used Shannon before. Okay, so it's ringing in both ears. I like that. Shannon. I got you on speaker right now, but I'm actually testing out some earbuds. For those who don't know, Shannon was actually in an episode a while back whenever we did the Android radio. He was the one that actually installed it for me. Here, hold on, I'm gonna switch back over to the earbuds. All right, I got you on the earbuds. All right, it sounds clear? Yeah, right now I'm talking through the earbuds. I'll switch you to speaker so they can hear what you're saying. All right, you're on speaker.
Yeah, you sound like you're a little bit far away from the phone, but other than that, it's remarkably clear and loud. I would not expect you to be talking from your ear.
Nice.
That's pretty cool. And you know what would be better?
What's that?
If I had a pair of.
Well, I'll holler back at you. Thanks for your help.
All
All right,
bye.
cool. There we go. I don't know, I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with these. I'm actually really impressed with these. I always start off skeptical whenever I come across like a very unknown brand, such as Kissral. My skepticism is gone. These are fantastic. The simplicity of the teardrop design that they went with on here is so comfortable. Not only that, but it holds really well in the ear canal. I mean, everybody's gonna be different, but at least for me, they held really, really well. The lows, again, are shocking. I'm really surprised to hear that kind of low bass coming out of these tiny little things. My expectations starting off would be like at a 5, but I give these things like a 7.5 across the board. They're really good. Now, if you're just now getting into the market for true wireless earbuds and you don't wanna go and spend like $300 like for a pair of real high quality Sennheisers that we looked at like last week, I'll leave a link down below for that, or right here, and you wanna keep it under 50 bucks, check these out. Worst case scenario, you don't like them and you send them back. Don't forget, I got a 10% off discount down below, so check that out. But either way, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.